was my right of way!
Tell me I don't know how to drive? I'm talking to you!
Hey, you alright? I saw the whole thing.
Get out of here! This has got nothing to do with you!
I'm a witness. You drove straight into him.
What is it with you people? You gonna stick up for him?
Fine, I'll wait here until the police arrive.
Screw both of you. Screw you!
Where are you going? Hey! Hey, this is your fault! I saw his license to the police.
I can't wait for the police. I can't drive this. I need to be somewhere. I'll just have to deal with this later.
Where are you going?
Newhall. I was getting on Route 7.
So will I. I can take you to Newhall. I'll drop you there. Come. Come.
Thank you.